Good morning everyone, I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. That you know very well, I know. Well, your exams are going on, your periodic tests are going on, and yesterday was your English test. We'll see how you have done it, okay? And in exams going on, your lectures are here so that your syllabus will get completed on time, okay? So today we will be starting the chapter from our Pansy number 2, that is Pansy of semester 2. You have 2 Pansy books, that means you have 2 English grammar books, right? So the first one was completed on the chapter is, am and are, right? So now its work is now over. Now we will be starting our Pansy number 2, okay? That means English grammar book Pansy of semester 2. Alright. So the first chapter that is there in your Pansy number 2 is was and were. Okay, was and were. So this is the chapter that we have to study. Okay, we will be starting with this chapter. And was and were are also helping verbs. Okay. Similarly, as the is, am and are, was and were also play the part of, was and were are also used as helping verbs. Alright? So, was and were. Do you remember is, am and are used where? Is, am and are used in the present tense, right? But, was and were, they are used in the sentences of past tense. Okay, the first and the most important thing is was and were are used in the sentences of past tense. Okay, so please do remember this. Is, am and are used in the sentences of present tense. Was and were are used in the sentences of past tense. Now you must be wondering past tense क्या होता है? पास्ट टेंस बेटा जैसे मैंने आपको इज, एम एंड आर में बताया था, प्रेजेंट टेंस होता है वो टाइम जो अभी चल रहा है, ठीक है? पास्ट टेंस होता है वो टाइम जो ऑलरेडी बीत चुका है, ओके? वो टाइम जो ऑलरेडी बीत चुका है. वो टाइम जो ऑलरेडी बीत चुका है, दैट इज पास्ट टेंस. ओके, नाउ आई होप to this point it is clear. Was and were are used in the past tense. Was and were are the helping verbs similar to is, am and are, and they are also used sometimes as the main verb. ठीक है, दो uses हैं, ठीक है, दो टाइप से यूज होते हैं was and were. पहला तो as helping verbs, okay, helping verbs, और दूसरा है main verbs के जैसे यूज करते हैं हम. ठीक है? Now I will give you some examples so that it will get a little more clear to you. अच्छा, बहुत सारे लोग W-E-R-E वर को W-E-R-E वेयर पढ़ते हैं. That is a wrong pronunciation. Okay, so I don't want my students to pronounce it wrong. So W-E-R-E is read as वर. Okay, W-E-R-E is read as वर. तो don't read it as where, है ना? was and where, ना, वर. क्या पढ़ेंगे हम? वर. Okay, so you know as helping verb, for example, अच्छा, have you opened your term 2 Pansy book page number 9? Have you opened page number 9 of your book? Please open it if you have not opened it. Okay, page number 9. So, as a helping verb, like I was writing a story. Okay, I was writing a story. So in this sentence, लिख रही थी, है ना, लिख रही थी, ये हम पहले कर रहे थे काम, ठीक है। सो आई वॉज राइटिंग अ स्टोरी। सो हियर जो मेन वर्ब है ना, राइटिंग, लिखना, दिस मेन वर्ब इज बीइंग हेल्प्ड बाय द हेल्पिंग वर्ब was. Okay, so here was is playing the role of a helping verb. Now let's see was in the role of a main verb. Okay, she was, sorry, she was in Indore yesterday. Okay, she was in Indore yesterday. If I translate this sentence in Hindi, its meaning is वो कल, yesterday means कल, वो कल इंदौर में थी. Okay, so she was in Indore yesterday. Here now there is no main verb, but this verb was is playing the role of the main verb. ठीक है, ऐसा writing, reading, playing and all इस टाइप का कोई main verb नहीं है, but अभी क्योंकि मेन वर्ब नहीं है तो हमारा जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है was, that is playing the part of the main verb in the sentence. was अभी मेन वर्ब का पार्ट प्ले कर रहा है सेंटेंस में. Is it clear? Now I'll show you some uses of verb as helping verb and main verb. Okay, so as a helping verb, they were playing. Okay, they were playing. If I translate this in Hindi, वह खेल रहे थे. Okay, वह means बहुत सारे लोग. They were playing, वो खेल रहे थे. अभी नहीं खेल रहे, वो खेल रहे थे. So this is the sentence of past tense. That's why playing here is the main verb. Playing means खेलना. Playing here is the main verb. और supporting verb कौन सा है? Helping verb is were. Okay, so they were playing. Now let's see the use of were as a main verb. Okay. You were in class 1 last year. Last year आप लोग class 1 में थे ना, है ना? अभी आप 2 में हैं तो last year you were in class 1. So you were in class 1 last year. So here there is no main verb. Okay, but we cannot say there is no main verb. There is no main verb like these type of verbs. But here were is playing the part of the main verb. Okay, you were in class 1 last year. आप last year class 1 में थे. Okay, that थे is here represented by were. So you were in class 1. Here were is the main verb. All right. So helping verb and main verb. Here we have to study only 2 types of verbs. Now what we have to see कि were is used with what subjects and was is used with what subjects. Okay, so similar to as in the chapter is, am and are, we have seen that is used with the singular subjects, I is used with, am is used only with the subject I, and are is used with all the plural subjects. Similarly, those type of rules follow here also. So that only we have to learn in this chapter. Okay, and the rules are quite similar to is M&R means? Well, I know your exams are going on, and in between the exams this lecture will be given to you. Not to worry if you cannot focus much. In my next lecture on the same topic, I will be revising all these things. Okay. So here, without any tension, just see the use of was and were. Okay. Was. So firstly we will see the use of was. Okay. So was is used with singular subjects. Okay. It is used with singular subjects. So do you know what are singular subjects? ये singular subjects सारे वही है जो हमने is में पढ़े थे, है ना? is जिन singular subjects के साथ use होता है, उन्हीं सारे singular subjects के साथ was भी use होता है. ठीक है, but फर्क एक छोटा सा है कि is present tense के sentences में use होता है, was past tense sentences में use होता है. ठीक है? So let's have a look at all the singular subjects. Okay? So I is one singular subject. I means मैं, तो इधर एक ही इंसान है, तो singular person is there, right? So I, he, she, it, and you know with singular names, he, she, it, this, that, okay, and with singular names. अब बेटा सिंगुलर नेम्स और आई विल से सिंगुलर नाउन्स, तो इसमें किसी का भी नेम आ सकता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इट कैन बी अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, इट कैन बी अ नेम ऑफ अ सिटी, इट कैन बी अ नेम ऑफ अ बुक, एनीथिंग कैन कम इन द सिंगुलर नेम्स. ठीक है, सिंगुलर नेम में सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखना है कि एक ही नाम हो, राइट? सो आई, ही, शी, इट, दिस, दैट एंड सिंगुलर नेम्स. For example, Riya, if in a sentence only one name is used, we can go with was, okay, as the helping or the main verb. So all these are, you know what? These are all the singular subjects that you have to remember, okay? And I know इतना जल्दी ये याद नहीं होता है, but we will practice a lot so that you all will remember this. So with was, I, he, she, was is used with I, he, she, it, this, that and all the singular names. Is it clear? I hope the use of was is clear. Okay, I hope the subjects with which was is used is now clear. Okay, now let's have a look at the use of were. Okay. So the use of were. Okay, were is used with plural subjects. P-L-U-R-A-L, plural subjects. Okay, were is used with plural subjects. Singular subjects we have seen. Now it is the time for plural subjects. Okay, so plural subjects include we, you, they. Okay, we, you, they, then these, those and plural names. Okay, for example, if I take the names of two cities in a sentence, for example, I am taking the name of Mumbai Mumbai and Chennai. Okay, so these type of names are, we can count them as plural names. दो names है, ठीक है, ऐसे तीन भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, एक है, अगर किसी सेंटेंस में अगर एक नेम है एज अ सब्जेक्ट तो वो हो गया सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट और सिंगुलर नेम. अगर एक सेंटेंस में इस तरह के दो नेम्स आ रहे हैं ना, वो नेम्स तो किसी भी चीज के हो सकते हैं, नाउन्स, राइट. देयर those names are called as plural names or plural subjects. And with all these plural subjects in a sentence, what are we using? What verb are we using? We are using were. Okay, हम क्या कौन सा verb use करेंगे? Were use करेंगे if the sentence is of past tense. Okay. So let's revise it. Plural subjects. What are plural subjects? We, you, they, these, those, and plural names. Okay. We, you, they, these, those, and plural names. All right. So in this whole chapter, three things are most important that we have to learn. First is that was and were are used in the sentences of past tense. Then was and were are used both as a helping verb and main verb. Then the third thing is that the use of was and were. Was is used with the singular subjects and were is used with the plural subjects. These three things only you have to remember while using was and were. ठीक है? Now let's have a look at some examples. Okay. For example, you have to fill the blanks with was and were only. ठीक है? So we dash in the market yesterday. ठीक है? Yesterday means कल. अभी दो टाइप के कल होते हैं, एक जो कल आने वाला है, एक जो कल तो बीत चुका है. तो जो अभी चला गया है ना, we are talking about that one. So yesterday, that means कल. So we dash in the market yesterday. हम कल मार्केट में थे. ठीक है? So what we have to do? We have to fill here with the correct helping verb. Okay? Sorry, with the correct main verb here. So was or were. What verb we can fill here? We. Let's have a look at the subject. We. We means हम, जिसमें मैं भी इंक्लूड हूँ और एक और कोई इंसान इंक्लूड है. ठीक है? So we dash in the market. So अभी इधर we are talking about two people, एक तो मैं and there is someone else. So we, there means therefore the subject is plural. Subject is talking about two people. So subject is plural, and with plural subjects, which verb we use? We use the word were. So we were in the market yesterday. Okay, we were in the market yesterday. हम कल मार्केट में थे. Okay. Then another example. She dash a famous singer. Okay, she dash a famous singer. She. What is she? Do you remember what is she? She is a. She means हम एक ही इंसान के बारे में, we are talking about only one person. Okay. So she dash a famous singer. One person means the subject is singular, and with singular subjects we use the helping verb was. So she was a famous singer. वो एक बहुत फेमस सिंगर थी. So this is the use of was. Okay, let's take another example. I dash present in the class yesterday. Okay, so the meaning of the sentence, if I translate this in Hindi, I dash present in the class yesterday. मैं कल क्लास में present था या मैं कल क्लास में present थी. Now what we have to do, we have to fill this blank with either was or were. Okay, so I, let's have a look at the subject. I means मैं. तो now you tell me कि हम कितने लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. मैं तो सिर्फ एक ही इंसान है ना, मैं हूँ ना सिर्फ. तो मैं means, I means it is what? It is a singular subject. And with singular subjects we use was. So I was present in the class yesterday. मैं कल क्लास में present थी, है ना. थी means हम कल की बात कर रहे हैं. This is the sentence of past tense. Okay, so this is how we use was and were. And we are going to solve a lot of examples in the exercise given. And don't worry if the concept is not so much clear to you. Nothing to worry about it. In the next lecture of mine, I will be revising the uses of was and were. Okay. So now you practice for your next exam. Okay. Next periodic test, whatever it is. And this is it for this lecture. This was the introduction about was and were. We have studied 3 things about was and were. Okay. Firstly, the was and were. Let me write those 3 things here. Okay. Within 5 minutes, I will be ending up the lecture. Okay. So was and were. These are the these are the words used in the sentences of past tense. Okay, the first thing. The second thing is was and were. They are used as both helping verbs and main verbs. ठीक है, sentences में हम was और वर्ब को हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं और मेन वर्ब की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. थर्ड थिंग इज was is used with singular subjects. Okay, and were is used with plural subjects. ओके, अब वो जो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स की थोड़ी सी बड़ी सी लिस्ट है, तो वो हम धीरे धीरे लर्न कर लेंगे. डोंट वरी, जब भी हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर द लेक्चर. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर पेपर दैट इज देयर टुमारो, एंड बाय बाय, टेक केयर.